Okay, hey everybody, Terry Brown here, and I want to thank you so much for taking a moment to check out this video today. And I'm introducing this amazing company, first of all, that I found about a week ago, okay? And of course, I've been looking at, I've been on a couple of Zoom calls, which I recommend highly, that if you're going to get into this business, that you get on at least one Zoom call a week. Okay, so that's something to think about. Okay, and we have a couple of Zoom calls a week. There's probably 4 or 5 that's going on with the corporate calls and our team calls. And let me just say this, and I'm going to ask for your forgiveness because I'm so excited about this. And so I wonder, where do you start? Because I do have a lot of information to share, but I don't want to put everything into one video. You understand what I'm saying? So I like to break things down because that's the way my brain works. I got to have small chunks, and I've got to take some chunks here, and I got to take some chunks here, that kind of thing. But this opportunity, the products really blew my mind, really, because I've always believed in supplementation. I've been doing it ever since I was a young man, and the older I get, the more I realize that I need to do even more. And I like putting natural substances, healthy stuff in my body, and this got to me. Okay, so let me just share with you a little bit in this video, and then the other videos to come. Again, please, bear with me a little bit because I'm just off the cuff. This is just something that I'm passionate about deep down inside. Okay, but if you look here for me, it says the anti-inflammatory secret in olive oil. Okay, so I need to say this right off the bat. First of all, Oliabo is the name of the company, and it's Italian, and it means oil botanicals. It's Oliabo rather is not a olive oil company, although we have certified high-phenolic extra virgin olive oil. We're not an olive oil company. It is a health and wellness company, and we have products that are derived from high quality, high phenolic olive oil. That means something. Okay, so if you look at this for me, again, the anti-inflammatory secret in olive oil, and there's so many benefits to this amazing product. I shudder to think about it because, man, we could be putting some amazing things in our body to help us. Okay, and if we don't know about that, we can't do it. Okay, but look at this for me, because I can go on, man. I could talk about this all day long. Who wants to be here for that? Right? Okay, look, olive oil can act like a natural anti-inflammatory. Okay, high quality olive oil contains oleocanthal, which is a compound known for its inflammation calming effects. And I need to say this because there's so many other things that this does that it's pretty impressive. Okay, it supports joint comfort, mobility, excuse me, and long-term metabolic health. But here's the catch: most olive oils don't contain enough oleocanthal to matter. Okay, and if you're low on oleocanthal, then you're going to be a low on other phytonutrients. Okay, as well. And so you really need high phenolic, okay, extra virgin olive oil. If you're going to make any kind of supplementation out of that, that's what you need, because you want to keep all of that stuff so that when you take it, it does something to your body. Okay, something good to your body. All right, now, only early harvest high phenolic oils preserve it, okay, it being the oleocanthal. If your olive oil doesn't give you that slight peppery bite, it's probably missing the benefits. So Oliabo is really a health and wellness company, okay, and you can create wealth with this company. This is how powerful this is. So I've got a slide I want to share with you real quick, and then I'm gonna be done this video, but I've got more videos to put out, so stay with me, okay, because I need you to see this, and I want people to really understand what's going on here, okay? Okay, so look here for me. First of all, I think it's important that we read this down here. It says statements are based on research, but may not have been evaluated by the FDA and are not meant to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Okay, so we make no medical claims, but this is what I recommend. I highly, highly, highly recommend that you Google, and I tell everybody this, Google the benefits, okay, of high quality olive oil. And I'm telling you, you'll see some things that you may not have known, but you need to know. And this is only part of the story. What you're looking at here is part of the story. I'm just going to read it, let you take a look at it, think about it, and think about partnering with us so that we can get this information out to the world, actually. Okay, people need to know this, especially, no, I'm not going to say that, I was going to say especially older people, but yes, older people, but younger people too, because all of this will help everybody in the long run. Okay, now, the Olive Standard of Health, a quick capsule summary. Okay, wide-ranging health benefits. Research consistently links the regular use of high-quality EVOO, extra virgin olive oil, with wide-ranging health benefits and improved overall wellness when part of a healthy dietary pattern like the Mediterranean diet. Okay, now, cardio support. Look at this. 5 milliliters a day of extra virgin olive oil linked to 30% lower risk of cardiovascular events. Okay, brain health. Yeah. Okay. The older I get, I'm not gonna kid you. I realize I've got to keep my brain health, very, very strong, because you can start forgetting things, boy, you should be remembering. You know what I'm saying? All right, but look at this. Brain health. 20 to 30 milliliters a day of extra virgin olive oil shown to improve cognitive function and reduce beta amyloid accumulation. Longevity, morality. See, I need some help. I need that stuff in my brain. Hey, look at it now. Longevity, mortality, morality. Okay. Sometimes you got to laugh at yourself. You know what I'm saying? 11 milliliters a day of extra virgin olive oil is associated with 8 to 9% lower all-cause mortality. Okay. Digestive health. EVOO supports gut health by promoting microbial balance, reducing oxidative stress, and protecting the intestinal lining. And folks, when I say this is just scratching the surface of what this natural product can do, it will blow your mind. Okay, now look at this. Inflammation. Okay, and this HPE is high phenolic extra virgin olive oil, high in oleocanthal. Whoa, works through similar pathways as ibuprofen, supporting a healthy inflammatory response. And you know, my wife, she struggles sometimes with the inflammation. And what does she take? She takes that ibuprofen. Okay. Now I know what it is. Sometimes I can't say it, but you understand? But this is part of the story, guys. Okay, this is part of the story. Now, I want to say this in closing. I want you to again Google high quality, the benefits of high quality extra virgin olive oil. Okay, the benefits of high quality olive oil. Okay, and see what it says. All right, then I'm going to leave a link in the description area of this video and invite you. It's absolutely free to get signed up with our opportunity. Okay, and it's free to get the information, and I'll leave a link in the description area of the video where you can check things out for yourself. Join our team, because our team is very, very powerful. We've got a great group of people that are building this business, that's sharing this information, and we've got Zoom calls weekly. It's training, and man, we help people stay excited about building something for their lives, health, wellness, nutrition. Okay, we got it. I hope I said everything. All right, next time I might have some notes. We'll see. All right, this is Terry Brown signing off, wishing you a blessed and amazing day. Bye-bye now.